Reading a book in Somewhere Peace. The book titled School of Thieves. Assalamualaikum and greetings to all of the attendees and attendees. Before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Nurisha binti Raflan. I am from Form 2 student. I go to school in SMK Datuk Bahamai. My school code is CEA 7065. This book really caught my attention and I would like to share the contents of this book with all of you. So with that, you all can buy it and make it one of your book collection. First, let me explain a little bit about this book. The author of this book are Sabrina Ismail. The publisher is Bookhead. Year of publication is 2023. The page of this book is 104. This book tells the story of Amra De Silva, who done a pretty dirty job, and that she also has to support her family. Amra De Silva left school when she was young and became the sole breadwinner of her family. When life hits her hard, she has no choice but to do dirty job in order to make ends meet. One day, a new family moved into town. It's her father who had long abandoned Amra and her family. Out of hatred, Amra plans to rob her rich father's house, but get caught red-handed. She gets recruited into the School of Thieves. The lessons we can learn from this book are stealing is a bad way to get money. It can lead to suspicion of people around you who are victims of theft. Lastly, the reason why I love this book so much is because I love how the cover were made and I like how the author created this amazing story. This book is searchable for children and teenagers. If you want to buy this book, you can buy it online on TikTok, Lazada, and Shopee. You can buy this book on the price 15 ringgit. That's all from me. Thank you for spending time with me.